Does your computer suck? Here's what to do. First, you need to make a restore point, just in case something goes wrong. First, you want to type in system restore in the search bar. Then click create a restore point. Click C drive and create. Create a title. Click create. And done. So first you want to type advanced system settings in the search bar and click view advanced system settings. Now you want to go to performance settings and choose between custom and best performance. Best performance has no settings, while custom you get to choose. I chose custom because I like some of the settings, but some settings affect your performance on the computer. Once you pick, just press apply and you're done. So type in storage sense in the search bar and click enter. And click turn on storage sense. Make sure you turn it on. This will delete any unwanted files and you can configure it to however you want. So type in notifications in the search bar and notifications and actions, and it's really your choice. I like to turn off notifications to not reduce lag and stuff, but it's really your choice. So you want to type in startup apps in the search bar and click on startup apps. You can choose which apps you don't want to start up when Windows starts. I don't recommend turning off any Windows apps because it might affect your performance, or any apps that could affect your computer, but it's all your choice. To turn on startup in Discord, go to Windows settings and click on open Discord and turn it off. If there's still some apps you don't want to start up, go to Task Manager and go to Startup and choose some apps that you don't want to start up. Thanks for watching, and if you want a more detailed look into how to make your performance on your computer better, check out the video I linked in the description. And if you have any questions or need any help, don't forget to leave a comment down below.